Recommended for hair that is prone to breakage and split ends, ancient Egyptian anti-breakage and repair cuticle control leave-in lotion is an incredibly rich strengthening and moisturizing leave-in lotion that nourishes, restores, and fortifies dry, damaged hair. It is especially recommended for hair that is prone to breakage and split ends, color, chemically treated, weak and damaged. Its formula is gentle enough for daily use and powerful enough to repair and restore your tresses. Conditions and restores compromized hair. Enriched with some of the rarest and robust natural oils, ancient Egyptian anti-breakage and repair antidote leave-in lotion will immediately begin to condition and restore dry, compromised hair. It deeply penetrates to protect and restore damaged cuticles for stronger and shinier hair. Minimize damage and breakage. Ancient Egyptian anti-breakage and repair antidote leave-in lotion is formulated to strengthen your hair while fighting damage and breakage. Its unique formula leaves your hair soft and tangles-free, minimizing possible hair damages and breakages and adding an incredibly long-lasting shine. Ancient Egyptian anti-breakage and repair antidote leave-in lotion supports the natural hair growth and retention. Its formula enriched with Kalahari oil, oleaster oil, mongongo oil, baobab oil, and biotin promotes healthier, longer and thicker hair. Nourishes and hydrates. Ancient Egyptian anti-breakage and repair antidote leave-in lotion instantly hydrates and moisturizes your hair, adding long-lasting shine and body. Add this hair treatment to your healthy hair regimen and watch as your hair transforms into a much stronger, shinier and healthier state. Anti-Breakage Repair Antidote Collection. This line has come close to duplicating the most historical formulas used during the ancient Egyptian era. Filled with some of the most rare and robust natural oils such as Kalahari oil, oleaster oil, mongongo oil, and baobab oil to strengthen, repair, and add remarkable shine. Beneficial for hair that is prone to breakage and split ends, color, chemically treated, weak and/or damaged. Made with a signature komb oil infusion, including Kalahari oil, oleaster oil, mongongo oil, baobab oil. Uniquely loaded with fatty acids omega-3, 6 and 9. Specially made for all hair types. Fine, thick, natural, chemically treated, colored, 1A to 4Z. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing. I love this brand, but I think this will be my new favorite.